In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy stocks on Etoro. So for this, all you need to do is sign in into your account. So that's exactly what I did. You'll then end up on the watch list, but you want to go to the trade markets section, which you can find on the left side of your screen under Discover. So click on trade markets right there, and you'll then find all of these different stocks. So for example, we've got Google right there, Netflix, Apple, Amazon. So just select the one that you would like to buy. For example, maybe you want to invest in some ETFs. So all you would do is click on the stock that you would like to buy. Let's say that I want to buy Netflix. You then click on it. Then you'll see all of this stuff. But all you need to do basically is click on trade in the top right corner. This will then take you over here where you can buy the actual stock. So right there, you can set the amount that you would like to buy stocks for. For example, if I want to buy $500 worth of Netflix stock, I then type in 500 right here. Click on set order and that's it. You can also invest like 1,000 or even like more, 5K, that's totally up to you. All you need to do is click on set order, and that's how you can buy stocks on Etoro. It's that simple. So that pretty much shows you how you can do that, and this is how it works with any of these stocks featured on here. For example, the Amazon stock works exactly the same. So all you need to do is click right there, and that's how you can do that.